And welcome back. So, Tu Hi Re Dil Me's upcoming 6th August 2026 episode brings emotional drama as Sanjay's secret marriage with Vrinda comes dangerously close to being exposed, while Swati takes a strong stand for Vrinda. The episode begins with Sanjay talking to his close friend Jitu about Vrinda. Sanjay has already revealed his secret marriage to Jitu and admits that Vrinda is actually his wife. He explains that even after finding her, fate keeps separating them. Every time he gets close to Vrinda, something happens and pulls them apart again. But Sanjay doesn't realize that his mother is nearby and overhears the conversation. She is shocked to hear the name Vrinda and immediately questions Sanjay about who she is and why he is so desperate to find her. Sanjay is suddenly trapped in an uncomfortable situation. His biggest secret is now in danger of coming out, and he has to figure out how to answer his mother without exposing his secret marriage. Meanwhile, another major confrontation takes place at Swati's house. After repeatedly insulting Vrinda and throwing her out, Swati's mother creates another situation that pushes Vrinda towards leaving the house. But this time, Swati refuses to stand silently. Swati makes a bold decision and tells her mother that if Vrinda cannot stay in the house, then she will leave with her. After she makes it clear that she will not abandon Vrinda after everything she has already suffered. Swati's decision shocks her mother. She realizes that Swati is genuinely ready to walk away from home, so she begins thinking of a way. Uh, so she begins thinking of a way of stopping her, both Swati and Vrinda, from leaving. However, her intention may not be completely selfless. She still wants Swati to remain with the family because she has her own plans for Swati's future, including getting her married to Sanjay. She therefore wants to keep Swati close. Uh, while also controlling the situation involving Vrinda. Meanwhile, Sanjay continues struggling with the complications surrounding Vrinda, while with his mother now asking questions and Swati openly supporting Vrinda, it is becoming increasingly difficult for him to keep the truth hidden. Will Sanjay's mother finally discover that Vrinda is his secret wife? And will Swati's mother genuinely accept Vrinda, or is she only trying to keep Swati at home for her own plans? The upcoming episode promises emotional confrontation, family tension, and a major revelation as Sanjay's secret get closer to being exposed. Thank you for watching. Bye.